What's good, YouTube? It's your boy AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger. Now this pair I got in hand today, man, in my opinion, is probably one of the most slept on Jordan 4s of the year. Now, keep in mind that when I say that, there are a few reasons for that. For one, it's not a retro colorway, so people don't really go too crazy over colorways that's not like OG. And for two, it's a woman's exclusive. So with that being said, it's a lot harder for most people to get these shoes, even though in my opinion, they a dope looking shoe. I can't fit a woman's 12, which is a men's 10 and a half. So I said, why not? Let me go ahead and get these, and then, let me see, get y'all a little review in. And one more reason why I say these slept on, because as of right now, I'm making this video, I think only 2 sizes on sneakers sold out so far. I could be wrong, but I think only 2 sizes sold out, and those are like the bigger sizes. So every other size is still pretty much sitting on the sneakers app. So this shoe is really not one of them shoes that's hard to get or gonna be hard to come by. It's gonna be slept. There might be an outlet soon as well. So me on the lookout if you do want these, they might be sitting in the outlets. But with all that being said, man, that shoe I'm talking about is the Air Jordan 4 Vivid Sulfur. Now y'all see the box, man, nothing too crazy. It's just like an all white box with like the little gold print on the, around the whole entire box itself. So it's nothing out of the ordinary, nothing that's like insane, but it's a dope looking box. And the size tag does read Woman's Air Jordan 4 Retro. The color is white coconut milk. I ain't never had no coconut milk. But anyway, white coconut milk, so that's the colorway. Size is 12, which is a men's 10 and a half. Let me make sure I look at that size tag right there. See how I can see that little size tag action. All right, but enough about the size tag, enough about the box, because there's nothing really too crazy with the box. Nothing under the lid, nothing fancy, just it is what it is. But we do, most definitely do have a beautiful sneaker. Now this shoe, this colorway itself is so dope in my opinion, man. I've been wanting the color a Jordan 4 in this colorway for the longest. I do want the Tour 4s, but this is about the closest we gonna get into getting the retro the Tour 4s for now at least. You never know, Jordan brand might whip out some little surprise in the near future and give us, boom, hey y'all, Tour 4s releasing. But until then, we gotta just deal with what we got. You know what I'm saying? Gotta stick with what we got, and what we got is the Vivid Sulfurs. Now, me personally, like I said, I'm a fan of these. I like the colorway, I like the material. Well, material-wise, let me slow down a little bit. Material-wise, these don't really feel the best quality-wise, like leather quality. In my opinion, the Reimagined Bread 4s had way better leather than these Vivid Sulfurs. Now, keep in mind, once again, maybe it's because it's a woman's exclusive, so it wasn't that many, sizes to really make pairs for, so they didn't really give too many. They didn't really care too much about making the shoe look, more, I guess, upscale or luxurious, whatever you want to call it. But then it don't look bad, it don't feel bad, it just don't feel as, as good as the Reimagined Bread 4s. Now that wasn't no crazy leather either, but this is like kind of like a step down from that. So if you got the Reimagined Bread 4s, you don't like the leather of those, just imagine how these probably would feel. But once again, the colorway is dope. Like I love the color, I love this yellow and black. It's like, and like the black part around the wings, whatever you want to call these things, it look kind of grayish almost. I don't know if I can tell on camera, but it looks almost gray. Even like the back part of where the Jumpman is, look kind of gray almost, in a little bit like a charcoal kind of colorway, which I'm a fan of. I like that. I'm cool with that. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got no problem with it. That's a dope look. It's a dope shoe. Nothing out of the ordinary with these. No special packaging, no special laces. Just the plain white laces that come on the shoe, which I'm not complaining about. I'm cool with that. No special fancy words on the shoe that's saying grind hard or keep going, nothing like that. It's just a plain regular Jordan 4 in a beautiful colorway. Now, once again, this is one of them shoes that this is a real look summertime type of shoe, that little yellow color. Y'all want to put y'all little, y'all yellows out, or y'all colors that complement yellows, your little, earth tone colors and all that stuff. Y'all get you a pair of these, man, put you a nice little fit together. You can't go no wrong with this. I'm telling you, this is a dope, beautiful looking sneaker. Probably, once again, one of the most slept on pair of Jordan 4s is coming out this year. I mean, I'm pretty sure there are more Jordan 4s coming out that I haven't really seen too much about yet, but this is one that really caught my attention. It really kind of sparked my interest, you know what I'm saying? If I must say so myself. This is one of them shoes that I just like, yeah, let me go ahead and get these for the collectors. Once again, like if y'all know me, y'all know I love Jordan 4. It's probably one of my favorite silhouettes of the whole 1 through 23 lineup. 4s is like number 1, then you got the other ones, I would say probably put my number 2 and maybe Jordan 3. I like Jordan 3, Jordan 1s too, but the 4s, yeah, these definitely my number 1s. But enough about what's my favorites now that we talking about these Vivid Sulfurs right now. Now, once again, these are women's exclusive. They did release, I'm recording this video on April 6th. They did release today on April the 6th, so if you did want these, you could fit them. Hopefully you did get them, because you know what I'm saying, like I said, they weren't hard to get, you know, as long as you had the proper funds and the stars in line with your bank account and all that stuff, you should be able to get these with no problem. If you can fit these, once again, if you can fit these. If you can't fit them, I don't really know what to tell you, man. You can cut a couple toes out, but I don't think you want to do that because you're going to be walking funny, and then you're going to be like, why your shoes creased up because you're walking like that, but that's a different story for a different time, man. We ain't going to get into all that, but overall, a beautiful shoe, dope sneaker. I can definitely get a lot of fits out from these. Details or the colorway cool, you know, get the little cream on the bottom that goes into the yellow, which is with the little black accents as well. So that's a dope little touch. You know, it's not an all white shoe. It has like cream on the midsole, cream on the outsole. So it's a, you know what I'm saying, a lot of nice little details in the shoe. Had a little tongue tie for a second. But a lot of nice little details in the shoe, you know what I'm saying? I'm a fan of these. I will be rocking these. I will probably get a couple fits off. You know what I'm saying? I might do something. I probably won't be wearing them like a crazy amount of times, but I do like them. I did care for them. I did like how they look when I seen them. I said, let me go ahead and get these for a review because, you know, I can fit them. It might be a little snug, but I can fit them. You know what I'm saying? As long as I can put my feet in and I can rock them, I can wear them, that's really all that matters. But overall, man, one of my, I wouldn't put it in my top 10 for 2024. Who knows? I mean, it depends on what else I cop this year. I do plan on copping a lot more this year, so we are gonna see what this falls out of my top whatever of 2024. It might not even reach the top 10. You know what I'm saying? It might make the play-in. You know, I got a little play-in tournament. You gotta go against another shoe, and then boom, it might reach that top 10. But I just don't see that happening no time soon. Who knows? It could happen, but me personally, I don't really see that happening. You know what I'm saying? It's cool. It's cool to look at. It would probably be cool on foot with some nice little fits, but overall, just being like top 10 of 2024, nah, I don't know about that one. But like I said, these are the closest we got to the Tour 4s. You know what I'm saying? If you don't know what those look like, I got a pair. Hold on. That's the box out. This is an old shoe, man. It might fall apart in my hand. I don't know, but you see, you know what I'm saying, the Tour 4s, and they got the removable jump man on it, you know what I'm saying, something that Jordan brand don't really do no more, you know what I'm saying, with the removable jump man, you know, it says Jordan red air on the tongue, if y'all can see that. You know what I'm saying, something that Jordan brand don't really do no more, but overall, like I said, it's probably the closest that we gonna get into like an actual, you know, Jordan Tour 4, same, you know, it's the same but different, like really a lot different, but yeah, I see what I'm talking about, man. It's one of them shoes that we probably won't get back for a while, which I wish we could, but until then, just got to settle for these. Which I'm not complaining I like these, but it's not really what I want. But it'll get the job done for now. But with all that being said, man, I appreciate y'all for tuning in my videos, tuning into my channel. Y'all getting my views up, my subscribers up, getting closer and closer to that 1K subscriber mark. Y'all, I'm pretty sure y'all probably see that too if y'all watching my videos, but I appreciate y'all for pressing the subscribe button, man, because you know, that helped me out a lot too. That thumbs up helps out a lot as well. But if you don't like it, hey, put a thumbs down. All engagement is good engagement, you know what I'm saying? Even if you don't like it, just, you know, engage a little bit. But with all that being said, man, once again, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, tuning into my channel, man. Make sure y'all smashing that like button, smashing the subscribe button, that share button, man. Make sure y'all tell a friend, make sure that friend tell another friend. With all that being said, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. Peace.